A book being enveloped by the silhouette of nature, geared to guard the mind and protect its texture, with leaves to lead your thoughts into the garden of answers, where growth gives blossoms and paths to remember. Words giving birds effect, flying to your endeavors. Your wings will be engraved limitless as a result of potent structure, designed for you to find what makes you recover, discover, and deliver what your life has to offer. Island Thoughts Volume 2, perfect trip for you, takes you through what you are going through to where great things come through. This is your vacation of inspiration. Get your copy. A world of hope on paper. Read, laugh, be happy. Get a copy of Island Thoughts Volume 2.